everyone. I warmly welcome you back to my YouTube channel Litu and Senu Learns. And today I got an important lesson in your textbook, Energy in Day-to-Day Life. This video will be very important for grade 6 English medium students, and this is a video of science. So I thought to start the lesson 4 in your textbook, Energy in Day-to-Day Life. Sometimes this lesson will be a little difficult for you, but we have to take that task and do this. So let's move to our today's lesson. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. First of all, we are learning what is energy. So, energy is the ability to do work. You have to write that whole sentences. Otherwise, sometimes it may be get wrong. Next, to do any work or to make any movement, energy is required. Now, let's see some examples to do what are the work that uh, that need energy. Loading goods to a vehicle, pulling a log using a rope to bounce up a leg, carrying a heavy load using a wheelbarrow, a stretch to stretch our arms, like that way. Next, this is in your textbook also. When you turn to the unit 4, there is the picture of that the picture is there. So now this is a picture of a procession and a New Year festival, and it also requires some amount of energy. So now let's see what is the first one. Now you all know the single meaning of this. Every um every procession and New Year event. So let's see also the English word. So in the first picture, some boys are doing a game with a rope, and we are telling that tug of war, or you can tell pulling the rope forcefully. Next, there is a picture that a little boy is hitting to a pot. So we can tell to that breaking clay pots blindfolded. Next, there is a woman and she is doing something by sitting. It is scraping coconut. And next, under that woman, two boys are fighting with pillows. So you can say pillow fight. Next to that, there is a little boy climbing up a uh, like a, you know pole, like a pole, and there is a flag on top. We call that climbing the greasy pole. You know that it is very greasy and slippery. So next above that, you can see a man. It is a picture of a procession. You can see a man is has a rope and doing something. I know you know the singular meaning. It is cracking the whip. We call them whip crackers in English. We call them whip crackers, and the event is cracking the whip. Then below that, a man is rotating a fire fire on a circle. Yeah, it is rotating a wheel of fireballs. So we call the man who is uh, rotating the fireballs. We call them as acrobats. So next to that, there is a man playing a drum. We call that drumming. And above that, the boy is dancing, and we called it Kavadi dance. So now let's go to our next lesson. So next we have an activity. So making a wind propeller. So we need some colored papers or oil papers, a thin wire, a ball pointed pen. It should be used that one, a pair of scissors, a piece of cardboard, a glue bottle. The method is then yeah, we can see the method after doing this activity. Okay, now we can see the method. So the method is cut 10 pieces of colored oil papers into triangles and make two holes in each pieces. Insert the wire into the hole of each paper and fix all pieces to the wire. After fixing the pieces, insert rest of the holes into the wire to make the wind propeller. Now insert two small cardboard circles from top and bottom of the wire. Now bend the top edge of the propeller. Finally, fix the other end of the wire tightly to the barrel of a ballpoint pen. Now hold it to the blowing wind. See what happens. Observation. Now we are going to see what is the observation. The observation is the wind propeller rotates when there is wind. When the speed is higher, the propeller rotates faster. The rotation of the wind propeller indicates a task. How did the wind propeller get energy? It it provided by blowing wind. So um, in here I have also mentioned the conclusion. So you can get the conclusion, and after that I hope you can understand what is the conclusion. So thank you for watching my today's video. So this is the part 1 of the unit 4, and I will meet you with the next lesson in this unit. So, till then, I hope you understand today's lesson.